Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce debt early with LightStream, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce debt early with LightStream, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your financial documents, including debts, interest rates, and monthly payments. Calculate your total debt to understand the overall amount you need to pay off. List out all your debts from highest to lowest interest rates. Research LightStream's loan offerings to determine which type fits your needs best. Note the competitive interest rates and flexible terms they provide for debt consolidation. Apply for a LightStream loan online by filling out the required personal and financial information. Provide necessary documentation, such as income verification and credit history. Once approved, review the loan terms to ensure they align with your financial goals. Use the funds from the LightStream loan to pay off high-interest debts first. Consider setting up automatic payments for the new loan to avoid missing payments. Monitor your spending habits to ensure you stay within your budget. Track your progress regularly to see how much debt you've paid off. Revisit your financial plan periodically and adjust your strategies as necessary. Stay committed to your goal of becoming debt-free, as this will motivate you through the process. Remember, seeking advice from a financial advisor can provide additional guidance if needed. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your debt early with LightStream. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.